Welcome to the third and final camp stove comparison. My name is Chris, and this is Gear Cache. Today we're going to be looking at the Everest 2-burner stove developed by Camp Chef. This is a propane-powered camping stove that sports an auto-ignition system, so you do not need lighter or matches to get the flame going. Setup of this stove is quite similar to your standard 2-burner stoves. Open the lid up and then attach the two side flaps to the lid to create a windshield for the stove itself. Next, attach the propane canister adapter to the stove, and finally screw the propane canister itself into the adapter. To light the flame, open up one of the gas valves and proceed to press the red button all the way down until you hear a click. You may need to press this a couple times until the flame ignites, at which point you can now adjust the gas valve to your desired flame setting. Now, comparing this stove against the previous stoves that I've reviewed so far, we used the same water boil test, and with this stove, the average time to boil came out to be about 1:15 to about 1:30 seconds to reach the desired temperature. This is significantly faster than the previous two stoves that I've reviewed, and I have a pretty good theory as to why. So the burners on the Everest camp stove have a metal shroud around them which redirects the flames straight up. This results in more heat getting directed straight to your cooking pot, which results thus in a faster boiling time. With the redirection of the flame, the overall boil time was actually almost half of that of the previous stove that I compared. So if you're willing to pay up a little extra in order to get this stove, you're going to get a stove which is far more efficient and therefore save you some propane, as well as one that saves you the hassle of trying to light the flame yourself using a lighter or matches. Now, that's not to say that this stove does not come with any flaws. There is one that I have to point out, and that is that the handle on the back is not the easiest to grab. You sort of have to hold the whole thing. You can't just simply hook your fingers underneath because there's nowhere really to grab. Aside from that, it is the largest of these stoves that I have reviewed, and so if you are going to be conscious of space, say you've got a smaller car, it will take up more space than the others. So which stove is best for you? Well, that depends on what you're looking for. If you're looking for something small and compact while maintaining plenty of cooking power, the bottle top stove is certainly an excellent choice for this category. If you're looking for an entry point into the 2-burner realm, the Coleman Classic is a great budget option that gives you the 2 burners without breaking the bank. And if you got some extra cash to spare and you want something with a little more oomph, the Everest camp stove is an excellent option for you. Well, that's it for this video, guys. If you liked it, hit that like button, get subscribed so you won't miss any future videos, and if you have any ideas for future topics, leave them in the comments below. We'll see you next time.